Alrighty, good afternoon, YouTube. We're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Why am I looking at an oily spot on the floor, you might ask? Well, I've been looking at this for a while, and it's been here from the lime truck leaking oil. And I've been contemplating what to do until now. A brand new container, or a brand new product I should say, of floor absorbent from Super Clean, and it works 4 times better than any other competitor. Now this Floor Dry is from Napa, so it's just to tell you where it's absorbs more with less. Okay. Falls and that kind of stuff. Yeah, I got a broom here. I'm gonna try and clean this up. See how well it will do. The floor dry did all right, but I want to see if I can't get that oil up with the floor absorbent from Super Clean. I mean, that's a pretty good sized stain right there. The Floor Dry did not do it. It did its job, but it doesn't work quite like it should. So here we go. Guess it's about the right amount you'd put on it. Says you let it work, wait 20 minutes and come back later, see what it'll do. Right there underneath that grain head, there's a oily spot right here that we could try this stuff on, see how well it does. There. Now we'll just wait. It's been 20 minutes for this spot. Let's see what the outcome is. I'm kind of curious. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh my goodness, you couldn't even tell there was oil there hardly. Wow. I'm really impressed. Let's wait and see what it does underneath the grain head. How impressed I'll be over that. Well, let's see how it did with this spot and the Floor Dry. Actually, 2 comparisons. And I had to turn it because it said turn it after one side was absorbed, and that's what I did. Okay, so let's see how this stuff did. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Cool. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say, with 10 being the best, okay, that it did a 10, because right over there is the Floor Dry, and that has sat there for I don't know however long, and it did not do nowhere near as good as this. Yeah, I could have let this stuff sit a little bit longer, but I'm kind of impatient. But you guys get the gist of this stuff.